Hey, Renault truck dealer discovered. Should I buy one?
Hey, it's up to you, man.
I've heard they're really
You
good.
did like the interior, so it's up to you, man. Now I need to answer this dude. Suddenly everybody is like, "Hey, fuck." Don't want to drive with this Russian guy, Russian banana or whatever his name is. Drives like a fucking maniac. Ah, Michael, he is driving like a fucking maniac.
That's just like having Lee around, isn't it?
He's like, yeah, probably same level as Lee. Corners, yeah, Michael.
Yeah.
Flat out. Go. There's another truck passing from the sideline, yeah? That
Yeah.
truck is braking like a maniac. What the fuck are you on about, man? Oh, I never saw you. Keep going on. Yeah, wow.
$155 kilometers to go.
He needs to turn left, yeah? I'm probably gonna make a U-turn. Yeah. My distance between them, because thing is like desyncing.
The last 100 kilometers. Fucking cat just come walking in the room, scared the shit out of me for a second there.
What the hell are you doing in my truck?
Fuck, it's a rat.
He's got his speed limiter off. I never knew that.
Who's that?
Like Donald. Yeah, that's what I was driving like, was it? No?
Like a
Keeping my
lady.
speed limits and everything. Yeah, keeping my speed limits, everything. No, Michael, blinking on time. Like one of them trolls.
We're on the home stretch, Dom. First job in my own truck,
Nice. Truck?
the Volvo.
You or the old version?
Dunno. The one I could afford.
Hold on.
FH16.
New one.
What?
That's what it says on the dash.
New edition. Old ones are the Globetrotter or something.
Uh, Not paying attention.
First nerve wrecking right. His own truck. He's all over the place.
Doesn't help that I'm extremely hungry and extremely tired.
I'm gonna tired as well.
Mm.
Like, was it 30? That's how I get rid of those guys. Like ETS2 Scandinavian. Yep. Ah, I don't have that one. He starts project cars. Oh, I got it. Yep, I think we have another. I think we have found another Lee. Yeah, taking roundabouts on 90.
Lol.
Oh my god, he knows a brake. That's what I hate, man. Speed limiters in cities. Fucking hell.
We're here.
Yeah, in multiplayer, Michael, speed limiter in cities, 60.
Damn. Yay! God, I'm pro.
Not making money?
Yep. I'm already back up to just under 16,000.
That was me, by the way, not in game. Sorry. I ever told you that story from Lee and me? From the yawning?
No.
They're driving a convoy. Like, from Italy all the way up, was it Aberdeen or something? Just for the trolls. It was getting late and I was yawning my tits off, yeah? And he's like, how the fuck is my person yawning in game? I've turned it off, I'm sure. Bjorn, stop in the next fuel station. Like, yeah, okay. But I didn't realize he was talking about me. When we stopped at a fuel station, yeah, it's off. And there's me again, yawning. He's like, Bjorn, is that you? I'm like, yeah. Fuck's sake. I'm like, what? I thought it was my person. I'm like, oh. Are you tired or something? "Yeah, actually, I am, yeah. Oh, you will see all kinds of crazy shit, man. Multiplayer. Especially with Dom and Lee.
Howard needed the toilet. 48 soggy minutes into...
Right. Anyone that's actually still watching the stream, I thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already hit the follow button, please remember to do so before you leave. It would be much appreciated. But I am going to be stopping the stream there because I'm absolutely starving and kind of tired. I had a late night last night due to many brandies. Once again, thank you for watching.